tantalizing journey through the stratosphere. With an ignition of black gunpowder, combined with the chemical lycopodium for safety, he will blast off through space, traveling at a blinding speed of 62 miles per hour, landing safely in the airbag you see, inflated in ring number 3. All calculations must be precise to avoid obvious catastrophe. One final up-close and personal examination of the airbag to be confirmed that all air ducts are flowing properly. Everything is to your satisfaction? Then all systems are go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, immediately following a backward countdown from 5, there will be a loud explosion. We encourage you to cover the children's ears. As the gun barrel rises to its final point of ascension, let's offer up a rousing round of encouragement for the human cannonball, Brian Mizer. Brian, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Very well, Godspeed. As he now vanishes into the deepest depths of the gun barrel, we ask for your complete silence so that he can communicate with his technician stationed at the rear of the cannon. Countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! Is he all right? Is he all right?